Welcome to the official calibration guide for the BEITER Sway-3DG laser level. In this three-part series, we're diving into the precision calibration process, ensuring your tool performs at its peak. Today in part 1, we focus on vertical calibration. Let's get started. For this calibration, there are three essential tools: the Allen wrench, the precision screwdriver, and a custom-made precision tool, which you will need for vertical calibration. Let's begin the calibration of your Sway-3DG laser level with a focus of precision and accuracy. Step 1. Establish your calibration station. Carefully place the laser level on a flat and stable surface. It is important for your calibration center to have an accurate collimator station. For this calibration procedure, there's no need for a battery. Simply power the beams by connecting a Type-C cable. Step 2. Locate the calibration access point. They're relatively hidden to make them less accessible to the general user to prevent unintended adjustment or tampering. Carefully take off the caps, which are designed to blend in with the housing of the laser level to keep them discrete. This model is designed to allow fast horizontal lines calibration without taking off the housing. So step 3. Use the Allen wrench to generally calibrate as your standard practice. Please take note, the access point located at the back of the unit is your control center for adjusting the horizontal dial's front to back accuracy. Meanwhile, the access point on the side, technically beneath the side frame, is responsible for the fine-tuning of the left to right accuracy of the same horizontal dial. Calibrate with patience and care, aiming for the precision tolerance your work demands. At BEITER, we calibrate all lasers to a standard of plus or minus 1 mm per 5 meters to meet our high quality assurance criteria. Watch the next video where we dive into the vertical calibration process for the Sway-3DG.